The cow catcher for this train is a fairly complex part to draw in Onshape. So let me go through some of the features. Now I'm not drawing every little piece for you, but I'm going to show you the overall profile. First off, we needed to use a loft tool to create the angle seen here. And it is done through the use of two sketches. Sketch 1 was the sketch of the bottom of that cow catcher. And when you do sketch 2 is going to be offset. So if I go to plane 1, plane 1 is offset 0.75 inches from your initial sketch. And then sketch 2 is drawn here. Once again, it needs to be completely centered along this edge in relation to the first sketch. And then lastly, loft 1, the loft tool, remember, will create a three-dimensional shape between two two-dimensional objects. So that's how we're going to create the initial part of the cow catcher. The second part of the cow catcher is this indentation. The easiest way to do that indentation is to create a sketch and use this tool right here. It's called the offset tool. If you elect to offset the outside 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, by default it offsets it like 0.25, and you can change that, and in this case I changed it to 0.1. And then you can simply do an extrusion. That's what I did in this next operation. And then finally, the only other thing I really need to show you on the cow catcher is the use of the shell tool. So the shell tool is seen right here. So the shell tool is going to hollow out and make thin-walled parts. All you have to do to create the shell tool, select the tool, select the bottom surface, which I've already done, and make the shell thickness 0.1. What it does is it makes a 0.1 shell all the way around the object, and it carves out all of that inward material. So it's doing actually pretty complex cutting through use of one tool. And that should be all you need for the cow catcher. Obviously, this isn't done. You have to do the offset on the other side, and you also have to create the pins so it can be received into your train body. Good luck.